We do trips. We've been to the art museum. We've been to the Franklin Institute. We go out to restaurants. We have a really, really good time when we go out and just do various exciting things with the kids to kind of bring exposure to different things to them.
Ben truly believes in second chance. So do I. I was a part of Youth Build in Atlantic City for about 10 years. And I say we all make mistakes. What I like about it is that his delivery, people who have done their podcast, their delivery is clear. You know how sometimes they be like, oh, can you hear me? Can you hear me? He doesn't even have the current technology, and it still works good. So
you can start a podcast in the house?
Yeah, you can start a podcast as long as you have the proper setup. You always can start a podcast. Your cameras and your mic is your most important thing.
Okay.
And I'm quite sure you're hearing about the AI technology now. AI technology does everything for you. So you just sit there and talk.
I might have to start on this.
Huh?
I said I might have to start on this.